Today we are baking sweet, chewy, nutty, and milky cashew bars. Kaya, let's bake simple!
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha.
So let's sift together our dry ingredients. So we have our all-purpose flour, powdered full cream milk, and baking powder. Mix to combine. And now we will also add in our chopped cashew nuts. Let's put it aside and let's start working on our wet ingredients. So we have our brown sugar, our eggs, and we will be using 3/4 cup of golden Fiesta palm oil. We will also add our condensed milk and our vanilla extract. And we beat until our sugar is dissolved and everything is blended well together. You can also use an electric mixer for this. And we add our dry ingredients. Mix until blended. And we brush our pan with some oil. Brush the sides. And for extra measure, we will just add a piece of wax paper to depan our cashew bars more easily. And we just pour the batter into our pan. You can tap it a little bit to remove the air packets. And let's top it with cashew nuts. You can also use crushed or whole cashew nuts. And bake it at 160 degrees. So our cashew bars are almost done. Kaya guys, don't forget to grab a copy of our latest cookbook, Baking Simple. Add to cart na, available sa Lazada and Shopee and also sa National Bookstore. And it's now time for me to remove our cashew bars from the oven. Yan. So it's very important to let it cool down completely. We want our cashew bars to be moist and chewy. And what I will do while it is cooling down, I will just cover it with a piece of cloth. Yan. So that the steam will be trapped inside and make it a bit gooey, no? Yung taas niya medyo gooey siya. And cool it completely. Pwede mo itong gawin, cut into small pieces and wrap into colored paper or di ba yung cellophane para light snack, pa isa-isa lang para hindi tayo tumaba masyado. Ang ating cashew bars, simple!